sea, sunshine, and palm trees. What could be better?
Girls, hey, look what I have. Invitations to a ball. Here you go. Sapphire, diamond, and ruby. Yay, we're going to a ball. Each invitation has a preparation checklist. Dress, accessories, and point shoes. Slay. First up, I'm taking Rumi. Off to the workshop. We're here. LaLiLu, let's get started. Looking for the right sketch in my notebook. Found it.
Perfect. Then let's go through the checklist.
LaLiLu, let's make a dress like this.
Sure.
Yay, cool. What? I'll finish eating and hand you the foil. Here.
You're so funny, Lali. Make a corset from foil.
Something's missing. Rhinestones, of course. Look, I have loads of them. My precious rhinestones.
Classic Lali. Decorate the corset.
Let's define the waist. Look how beautiful. What do we use for the skirt? I've seen something cool. Found it! Silver wired ribbon.
Awesome. It holds its shape perfectly. Let's unroll a bit and gather it up. The skirt is ready to try on. Such an incredible material.
This is a total masterpiece. We just need to add gems. Like this and here.
Wow, I look like a real ballerina. Rumi, you sparkle like a true diamond.
What a glow. We did an amazing job.
Let's check it off the list. Dress, done. Next item, accessories.
Rumi, give us a spin.
Okay.
Again. I know how to decorate the hair. LaLiLu, help.
Maybe a chain?
No, that's so last season.
Silver threads?
That's so cringe.
How about this?
Oh, perfect. Time to add some beads to Rumi's braid.
Weave it beautifully. Add rhinestones. The hair's done. Great, is that all?
One moment.
Okay. We'll also add jewelry and little sleeves.
Ta-da! Okay, what's next?
Point shoes.
Oh, I know what we'll make them from. Here, look how it glows. Rumi, what do you think?
Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous.
Wow! Perfect.
Wrap the feet in foil.
LaLiLu, I cut the ribbon into strips.
Great, we'll use those for the ties.
Perfect.
Let's check it off the list. Point shoes, done. Rumi's look is complete.
Yay, I'll go tell Rumi. Rumi, wake up! Sleeping? Really? I think I know what to do. Let's light it up.
What? Music? Huh? Point shoes? Oh, that slaps, and my diamond look is slaying.
Yes, Rumi, you're a true ballerina.
And here comes Zoey.
So, are you ready? Look at this fabric I have, just like a mermaid. Wow, it's stunning. But first, you need a bodysuit. Time to sew. A stitch here, a little more. Just like that. Done. Zoey, try it on.
Okay.
Looks awesome. Just adding rhinestones.
Which ones?
All are so pretty. These ones, I guess. Let's cover the whole corset. Absolutely dazzling, stunning bodysuit. Now the skirt. Looks great, just needs a bit more sparkle. Rhinestones save us as always. Zoey, do a little spin. It came out so beautiful.
You look great. Oh, Lali, where are you?
Just a sec. Where is it? Found it. I know a cool life hack for making point shoes. LaLiLu, can you help?
Okay.
Hold the balloon while I trim it. Put the balloons on the feet. Perfect. But I feel like something's missing. Lali, it's so uncomfy. Oops. Oh, now it's comfier. My notebook will definitely have the answer. Let me check. Yes, it needs more sparkle. My notebook never steers me wrong. I just have some sparkly fabric. Wrap it around the legs. Like this. And now for the exciting part. We've got glitter and glue. Coat the ballet shoes with glue. Now it's glitter time. More bling. Here comes the magic. Aren't they just gorgeous? Yes, Zoey. No need to thank me. I know I'm a great designer. Zoey, what are you doing? Sorry, Lali, I couldn't help it. Oh, I have an idea. Zoey, look, Baby Saja is over there. Where? Bam. Okay, we'll make hair accessories from the sticks. Attach pom-poms. Ta-da! They make the hairstyle prettier.
Adding a gem hairpiece. Put on some earrings.
Oh my gosh, Zoey, you look like a real ballerina. Your sapphire look is completely done.
Let's check it against the list.
Dress, done. Accessories, done. Point shoes, done. Yay, we finished! You know what it means? What? This, Zoey, light it up. Time for music.
Am I ready for my makeover?
First, let's take your measurements. Bust measurement, skirt length, head circumference.
You're so funny, Lali.
Look what I have. Cute, right? Let's get to work.
Oh, I can't see anything. So what's it gonna be?
Oh, wait. You'll see in a sec. Snip, snip, snip. Ta-da! Pretty cool, right? LaLiLu, bring the tool.
Here, take it.
That won't work. It's white. I always have to do everything myself. It's heavy. There's magic coming right up. LaLiLu, put the tool in the washer. Add some red glitter.
Okay.
And turn it on. Just have to wait for it to finish.
Are we done yet?
Be patient. Magic doesn't always work instantly. Just a little more. Yay, it worked! Now we can make a skirt.
Okay, I'll get it sorted.
And here's the perfect thread.
What would I do without you, Lali? Thank you. Stitch through the tool. Gather it. And our skirt is done.
Yes, I love it!
Let's try it on Mira. Stunning!
We almost forgot the rhinestones.
Thanks, Lali. Decorate the corset with gems. There, gold trim. Add it here. And a few more rhinestones on the top and on the skirt. Perfect. Girls, it turned out so lovely. Dress is done. Next item is accessories.
LaLiLu, I picked out the best accessories.
Wow, these are perfect. Decorate the hair, add a choker, and earrings. Oh, wow.
But what's this? Oh, I know what we will do.
I wonder what she's coming up with.
Bring it carefully. Phew, I'm so exhausted.
You barely did anything, Lali.
Oh, fine. Now let's do your manicure. Your nail polish doesn't match the look at all.
Dry it.
Ta-da!
Wow.
Now we can tick that box.
And the last item, pointe shoes.
Wait, where's Mira? Hey, where did she go?
Stop!
Look, you're not leaving barefoot.
Oh, right. Any ideas?
Obviously, pick a package.
Red tape. So what does that mean?
We're making your pointe shoes from this. LaLiLu!
Yes, I'll help. Cut the tape into thin strips. Shape them into pointe shoes. And add ties. One final touch, and done. Gorgeous.
LaLiLu, check it off the list.
Pointe shoes, done.
That slaps. Your Ruby look is complete. Yay! Bravo, bravo. Okay, time to head to the ball. But actually, something's still missing. Of course, you need partners.
True, the guys are missing.
But where do we find them? Detective Lali is on the case. We'll follow the chip trail. Well. And there they are. Boys. Yep, as always.
Go! Quick, overtake him! Yes!
Hey, Baby Saja.
Awesome, guys, keep it up.
Hey.
Lali, move, we can't see.
That's it. My patience is gone.
Oh no!
What did you do?
What if I hadn't saved my progress?
You have a far more important mission now. Lali magic. Attention! A makeover is about to begin.
Wow!
Let's start with Jinu. A little glitter, and voila! The sparkling diamond look is ready. A snow white suit sprinkled with diamonds makes Jinu's look absolutely dazzling and unforgettable.
Simply dazzling. Now it's your turn, Abby.
Lali magic. Presto, stunning! Abby is presented in a ruby look. A fluffy rhinestone-covered suit. It's absolutely something.
Abby, you look incredibly handsome. Now, Baby Saja. LaLiLu, can I do it? Can I?
Of course, here you go.
Just a moment. Oops, my beloved glitter.
Hey, am I gonna end up with no costume?
No. Okay, time to use traditional methods. LaLiLu!
I'll sort it right now.
I brought the fabric.
And I've got the patterns. Lay them on the fabric, trace, and cut out the pieces.
LaLiLu, here's the glue.
Oh, thank you, Lali. Apply a little glue. Join the pieces, and the costume is ready. You can try it on, Baby Saja. Just a few finishing touches. Cut a strip of blue foam sheet and shape it into a collar. Decorate it with rhinestones. Place the gems one by one. Look at this beautiful pattern.
Now a beret and shoes.
Perfect timing, we're almost done. Okay, Baby Saja, your sapphire look is ready.
Okay, guys, now that everyone's ready, it's time to head to the ball. Lali magic! Attention! Presenting our incredible ballet pairs, Diamond Rumi and Jinu, a dazzling couple. Sapphire Zoey and Baby Saja, an incredible ultramarine pair. And Rumi, Mira, and Abby, a truly luxurious couple. look so amazing. Write in the comments which pair was your favorite. See you in the next videos. Bye-bye.